Welcome back to my channel, and this is Reggie Beatz Media. Today I'm gonna be showing you a very nice trick, which is how to market your beats for free using SEO. This is my beat store, and I'm gonna invite you on my daily tasks, which is optimizing my beats so they can just rank first on Google and other search engines. So this video is about beat SEO for WordPress. So on this tutorial I'm gonna be using WordPress to show you how to get this to work. I'll also do tutorials for other platforms like Shopify, so you can watch this video so you can get the main idea and you can apply it on other platforms. Alright, so before we get started, let's just check what SEO is. SEO means the process of improving your website to increase its visibility in Google, Microsoft Bing, and other search engines whenever people search for products that you sell. So in my case, I want my website to be able to be visible when people are searching for the type of beats that I make. Alright, so we'll just start with the beat that I haven't applied any SEO to. So I'm gonna scroll down. Let's just here and here which beat will be easier to work. Alright, so this is the beat that you're gonna be working on, and I'm doing this for real because I want this beat to rank on Google, because I uploaded this beat like 3 days ago. So before we even get started, we need to look for keywords. Keywords are terms that people search for a lot, so I'm gonna go to Google Keywords Manager or Google Keyword Planner. It's free. Just get a Google Ads account, and I'll put the link for this in the description below, and it's free. So you're gonna go to discover new keywords. So here you can see it will select your country by default, but I like to remove the country so you can search the keywords all around the world, right? So I'm gonna first start with, let's see, because that beat to me sounded like a Cardi B type beat, a Nicki Minaj type beat, Glorilla Sexy Red type beat. So you're gonna check who's getting the most searches. So you're gonna say Nicki Minaj type beat. Okay, great. So I think these names are enough. So I'm gonna click on get search results so you can see which one is getting more searches. It shows that Nicki Minaj type beat is getting around 10 to 100 searches, but it's growing on a 900%. And Glorilla is the one who was getting the most, 0 to 1K, but it's kinda going down now. Cardi B 0 to 100 searches a month, and Sexy Red 0 to 100 searches a month. So with me looking at this, Nicki Minaj and Glorilla, they might stand a chance. Alright, now I'll go back to my admin dashboard and I'm gonna go look for that beat Legacy. This is the one that we're gonna make rank. So I'm gonna click on edit. Alright, so as you can see, the title, because we said we're gonna make it rank for, let's say, Glorilla type beat. Let's take one to make it to make it easier. Okay, so you can see now we got the title of the beat, Accorded Legacy. It's a hard trap beat, and the description, there's nothing much, but I also have these fields where it shows it's hip hop, A major, the keys and tempo. This for when somebody is using my filter. Yes, so this is for the filter. So as you scroll down, short description, I just wrote about the beat, and you're gonna go down again when you're gonna find this where it says Rank Math SEO. So to be able to see this, you need to install Rank Math. So Rank Math is a free plugin. I've made a video about the top 5 WordPress plugins. The link is in the description below. Rank Math is one of them. Go check it out, install it, and once you install it, you will definitely be able to see this. So here where it says focus keyword, you're gonna type Glorilla type beat. You see what I'm saying? So once I type Glorilla type beat, you can see the focus keyword does not appear on the SEO title, on the SEO meta description URL. So I can't really rank for this beat because I haven't included it anywhere in my content, right? So okay, cool. Now we're gonna change this. So you see here it says edit snippet. That's where I'm gonna edit my information. So you'll see how the information I'm gonna edit on the snippet links to the information on the page. It's the same information, it's just that here it's just make it easier for me to edit, like in this pop-up. Alright, so we're gonna go with it step by step, one by one. So let's start with the focus keyword does not appear in the SEO title. So to see the SEO title, I'm gonna go to edit snippets. And here's my SEO title. So you can see when it's using this percentage signs, it means that it's a variable, so it's stored somewhere. This title here is the title that is currently here at the top. You see legacy thread beat, and when I scroll down here to edit snippet again, here is legacy thread beat. If I remove this, you'll see legacy thread beat is gone. Alright, so I'm gonna put the legacy thread beat there and had thread beat, and then so here where it says thread beat, you can see it also matches this, that I wrote here. So everything that I put here actually matches the one there. So I'm gonna remove this thread beat and just say Glorilla type beat, and then even this one I'm gonna remove it as well. Let's see, legacy thread beat, Glorilla type beat. Okay, I put the Glorilla type beat into the title, so this should be a bit better. Let's close and see. Okay, great. You see now it says, hooray, you're now using the focus keyword in the SEO title, which is good. So now it says focus keyword is not found in your meta description. So when I click on edit, I see that the meta description here is showing, which is this side, is showing the BPM, tempo, key, mood, and this is matching with the text on my short description. So there's a long description and there's a short description. Here I need to also put Glorilla type beat, right? So I just need to type, this is a Glorilla type beat. Okay, cool. Now let's scroll down. As you can see, now I gotta take care the focus keyword used inside your SEO meta description. I did that. So now the focus keyword is not in the URL. So I'll get that one after. And the other one, it says focus keyword appears in the first 10% of the content, which is why I decided to put it up here. And as you can see, whatever that I write up in there, it updates here. You see, unless if I put something different here, but I like to keep this section empty so we can just update from the short description. Alright, so now let's see what's next. Okay, content is 28 words long. Consider using at least 600 words. So to use 600 words, because on the short description it has to be short, but now I want to create the long description so that I can match at least, let's say 600 words. So I'm gonna copy this, right? Copy all of this that I wrote here on the short description, and I'm gonna go to ChatGPT. Go to ChatGPT so I can create quick content. I'm gonna say, please create a product description for my beat using the info that I'm gonna provide. Okay, now I'm gonna paste this information here. And I'm gonna say make it, let's check how many words they said. Is this 600 or make it 600 ish, but that's a lot. Make it, let's say 300 words, because this is not a blog post but it's a beat. Let me say make it 300 words. Let's see how that looks like. So it will write a description based on what I've given it, which will kind of match the description of the beat. Okay, I'm just gonna remove that, but I'm gonna copy this and go back to my site, and I'm gonna go to the long description, which is here, and I'm gonna paste this right here because my beat name is legacy. Okay, I'm gonna also write legacy wherever there's primal fury. I write legacy because my beat, well, I could have told ChatGPT to do it, but sometimes it's better to do it yourself quickly. Okay, I think I removed that. So now when I scroll down, you'll see it says the content is 305 words long. Consider using at least 600. Well, 305 I feel like is better than 25, so I'm gonna leave it at that. You can go ahead and make it 600 words, but I feel like it's too long to read for a beat. You need to still make it reasonable so you don't confuse your customers. So now the focus keyword, which is the URL now. So the URL, which is here, you just have to be careful when you change the URL, because if your beat is already ranking and now you change the URL, when somebody goes to that specific link on Google, it is not gonna be able to work because the link has changed, unless if you redirect the link, which is something that I'll show on a different video. Okay, alright, legacy trap beat. I'm just gonna put Glorilla type beat, because you know what I'm saying, we're trying to rank here. So click. As you can see, my normal title is still the same, doesn't have a Glorilla type beat there. So that's how you can be able to target Glorilla type beat and still have your title looking clean and not chase away potential customers. Alright, so let's check now. Not found in the URL. What do you mean? Let me check edit snippet. Oh, okay, I forgot to put 2 L's. Glorilla type beat. There we go. So now you can see I have all of this ticked, which is good enough, trust me, to make a beat rank. There's more things that you can check. As you can see, a focus keyword not found in subheadings. You can do all of these things, but I'll touch on them on the next video. But I can guarantee you that if we also focus on the basic SEO only, you will definitely rank. So when I'm done all of this, I'm just gonna go and update. Once the beat is updated, then we're gonna preview the beat to see how it looks like, with all of these changes that we have made. I'm gonna click on preview changes. And as you can see, this is what we've added. This is a Glorilla type beat. It's a hip hop beat with 808s and cowbell. Beat info, there it is. This is the short description, right? And as you scroll down, here you got the long description. So it's perfect where it is because it doesn't really disturb the customer from purchasing. Alright, now that's done. So how do you check if you actually rank on Google, right? So let's say I'm looking for Glorilla type beat, right? Type site and you put that and type your site here, reggiebeatz.io. So let me see if I rank. So these search results that we see here are all coming from my website because I've put this tag here, site reggiebeatz.io, which is my site. So this is just to show you if your beat or your product has already been submitted to Google and it's already ready to start ranking. So as you can see, currently we have legacy here, and as you can see, it hasn't updated yet. So it can take like a day to update, but once it updates, definitely I'll be ranking more. And currently, and the reason why this popped up as well is because I have Glorilla as my tags. If I have to go back to my product, you'll see I also have tags here, which I will cover on the next video. I have Glorilla there, which is where the Google search engine got the Glorilla keyword from. So yeah, if you learn something on this video and you're gonna apply it, please hit the sub button and like the video so that I can be able to make more videos. And if you have any questions, put them in the comment section below and I answer all of my questions. I'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you for watching.